The work that we are doing is very interesting. Whatever the client asks, we always produce the best. Well, so far as the project is still so young, there is no hold-ups for Ceiling Master. So far it's going good. Because whenever we do the one suite finish, then we go off-site, and then we wait for the masons again, and the painters and everything, and then we comes in to do the ceilings. Like in our field, our boss give us a period for a suite, maybe 3 days, and then we'll have to be finished with our ceilings in 3 days' time for one suite. Whenever there's another room ready for us, we come in and then we just complete that room.